Hi Chaya,
Hi Noor.
Hi, sir. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm also fine. So, what are you doing?
Nothing. I was just studying and preparing for my exam, and day after after 2 days
Mm-hmm.
there is my maths exam M2. And sorry
Okay,
for
and
last
two.
conversation. My laptop was
Mm-hmm.
not charged and suddenly it just switched off. So
Yeah,
last time we have to end the conversation. So
yeah,
sorry
no
for that.
problem.
Yeah. Okay.
No problem.
So what are you doing?
So, how? Yeah, nothing. I'm just doing my internship work, and now it's time for English practice.
Okay. Okay, so let's
Yeah.
begin our English conversation.
Okay. So, can you tell me your daily routine? Like, how many time you get up and go to college and come back? What are you doing after college and something like that?
Oh, my daily routine. So, see,
Yeah.
before my college life, I was living in Bina, so there is
Mm-hmm.
no routine in my life. But from now, when I am in Bhopal and joined the college, from that time, I just my routine changed, and suddenly it changed all of over the work of home, everything from the dusting and utensils and all the work which usually the housewives are doing at home.
Mm-hmm.
The all work I only want to do in my home, and study also, the whole work of home also. So usually when regular colleges are on, when I go college regularly, I wake up at 7 a.m. Daily,
Mm-hmm.
and
Mm-hmm.
just do my whatever the routine is, that breakfast, then lunch for my father. I live with my father, and
Mm-hmm.
we
Okay.
both only live in the house, and all the work I only do. Then I go college, and after the whole day, at 6 p.m. I come back at home. Then again I rest some, at least 1 hour I take rest. Then after then 1 hour I again get started for my work. Then after study for one or 1.5 hour I study, and then again I get back to my work for dinner. After preparing dinner, at least 1.5 hour I take to prepare dinner. After having dinner, I get for study again for 1 or 2 hours. Then again for that routine from morning till 12 or 12:30, I sleep, and then again from 7, again that routine follows from next day. That this is my daily routine.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So I think you have lots of problem without your parents. You have only father, or where is your whole family? Like brother, sister, mother.
See, I lived in Bina. I had tell you before also.
Okay.
So yes,
Mm-hmm.
so my whole family is there. My mother, my grandmother, and I have 6 brothers and sisters. You know,
Okay.
and
Okay.
my
Okay.
4 sisters and one brother study in their Bina only, and there is our home,
Mm-hmm.
our
Okay.
home, and my whole family lived there only, at that home only. So
Okay, so that's why you don't get lots of time for study because
yes.
you have to prepare breakfast, then college. After college, you have to prepare for lunch, dinner,
Yes.
and at last you have to prepare for night dinner.
Yes.
Yeah, that's very tough task.
Yes. So
Okay.
in Hindi
Hmm?
there is a I think idiom that कुछ खोने के लिए
Hmm.
कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ खोना पड़ता है. So
Yeah,
that
yeah.
we can take that idiom here. So
Mhm. Okay.
my grandmother sometimes she says that I am struggling this much here. She says that why you
Mm-hmm.
gone there, you can study here also. There in Bina all there are also
Mm-hmm.
colleges, but
Mm-hmm.
I want to study in here Bhopal. So my father allowed me to study here in Bhopal and allowed me to go college. And
Okay, okay. That's
yes,
great.
nobody
Yeah.
is free of struggles, and everyone have to face
Mm-hmm.
something in their life to do some, to get
Yeah.
something, to achieve something. Okay.
Yeah, in my case, I have to study more. I don't have time for, I don't have to cook, then I have to study more.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes,
I
because
study
of
around I study around in college around 8 hours. Then after college, I studied around 6 hours in my home.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
I know you are see, mainly you are a
Mm-hmm.
boy, so you don't have to do any work at
Yeah.
your home from now only.
Mm-hmm.
After you will see, you will start doing job, and start going outside of your home. Then
Mm-hmm.
you will get some responsibilities at you, which you have
Yeah.
to follow in your life. So you don't have to struggle that much in now, as
Yeah.
compared to me. Yes, I
Mm-hmm.
I think
Yeah, as a
this.
boy, uh-huh.
Yes,
Yes. Continue.
yes. So now,
Okay, so do you have any question from me?
no, I don't have any question for you right now.
Hmm.
Mm, see,
Okay, so
no,
can you
no.
tell me
See,
what
I
is
will.
your?
Yeah,
Mhm.
yeah.
Okay.
Say.
Yes, please.
I was saying that you are an
Hmm.
Android developer. Okay.
Yeah.
So suggest me that what should I do after my second SAM exams? What should I prepare to prepare my languages, and to
Mm-hmm.
what languages should I
Okay.
choose, and what to do, what should I do?
Okay. Okay. So, in my opinion, the first language your should be Java. Yeah,
Okay.
it can be C or C plus. Only use basic. Then after you have to learn Java because after learning Java, all the images, all the programming languages should would be easy after
Okay.
sometimes. Yeah, Java is the one language. After Java, you can learn any language.
Okay.
So I will recommend it. You have to learn Java in your what is second
Yeah.
third sem. Yeah,
Okay.
you have to prepare for Java in third sem. After learning the basic of Java, around 40% is enough. Then jump into DSA.
Okay.
DSA is most important part of placement. Yeah.
Okay, I will go through it. Thanks for your
Mm-hmm.
opinion about me,
Yeah.
and I will
Mm-hmm.
go through it and prepare for it.
Yeah.
And you are with
Mm-hmm.
me only, so I
Okay.
can ask after also. Yes.
Yeah. Anytime.
Yeah.
Anytime you have doubt, you can ask me.
Yeah.
So I have one more suggestion for you or anyone who watching this series or video.
Okay.
So if you have 1 to 2 years uh, of your college, you should be start right now. Don't wait for yesterday or tomorrow. Don't wait for tomorrow. You just need to start today because if you start today, your burden will be reduced.
Yes. Means
Yeah.
suddenly the pressure will not come at you. You will, if you will prepare from before,
Mm-hmm.
you can cover it out fastly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay, so can you tell me what is your favorite food, Chaya?
So there is nothing is favorite. I just eat whatever I get. See,
Acha.
uh,
Okay, okay.
yeah, when we are hungry, too much hungry, there is nothing favorite. Whatever we get, we just eat it. We
Yeah,
don't
that's
have.
right.
I mainly I just don't have any favorite food. Just eat anytime anything. That is only.
Yeah, that's good thing.
Yeah. What is
Okay.
your favorite food?
My favorite food, there is no one favorite food. I have lots of favorite food. The first priority is biryani. Yeah, I eat everything. Yeah.
So, would you like to travel?
Yeah, I like to travel. But I don't like to travel anytime or any day. Like if I get a time after my college, I don't like to travel with friends or hanging up with friends because I thought it's just a wasting of time. That's why I That's why I thought I need to open a YouTube channel. Then I have to create a study vlog, because if I create a study vlog, I don't have a time for moving outside or doing, yeah,
Means you think
wastage of.
that traveling is a wastage of time.
No, no, it's not. I mean, I think every time traveling or hanging out with friends, going out with friends, is not good for us, because we are developer. We need to improve our skills, not a sutta baji or do some smoke or a bald
Yes,
hair
yes,
face.
yes.
Yeah,
Yes, I
we need to
understand.
we need to prepare for placement and English communication or coding languages and many more. Yeah.
I got your point of view. I
Mm-hmm.
understand. Okay, so tell me
Mm-hmm.
something about your birthplace, like where you just where you lived where you lived before Bhopal. Bhopal, where you lived in before Bhopal.
Okay. So before Bhopal, I lived in UP, Uttar Pradesh, where I studied from 1 to 10. After completing my 10th, I was come in Bhopal. Then I was studying 11th and 12th in Bhopal, near my house. Then I will decide. Then my parents would decide to make me doing an engineering, because my parents see my uncle. My uncle was actually my uncle was living in Saudi Arabia. Yeah, my family see my uncle like uncle lifestyle. Then they thought, why you should not be like him. That's why I chose engineering.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's nice. Means your
currently I'm,
family's means your family's full support is with you in everything.
yeah, yeah,
That's
yeah.
very good. That's very good.
Mm-hmm.
And so what your what your uncle do in Saudi Arabia?
Okay, my uncle actually my uncle is a software engineer. Yeah, he he was around working 8 to 10 years in Saudi Arabia.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
How do you get this session? Can you tell me, our viewers, how do you get this opportunity to practice with me?
you are my senior and you are
Yeah.
just with me in college and
Mm-hmm.
same college in VR. So we
Mm-hmm.
just discussed
Actually, I.
that
Uh-huh. Yeah.
we just discussed to practice this conversation English practice. We
Yeah.
just discussed
Okay.
and worked on it.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Whoever want to do conversation with Mr. Noor can
Mm-hmm.
comment in the comment box
Yeah.
that practice with me English practice with me,
Mm-hmm.
and
Yeah.
join us in the
सो so, आज के व्लॉग को कर दिया मैंने यहीं पर एंड। और हाँ, अगर आप लोगों को किसी को भी मेरे साथ इस टाइप की कन्वर्जेशन करनी है इंग्लिश में, तो कमेंट कर देना, आई वॉन्ट इंग्लिश कन्वर्जेशन विद यू। अभी के अभी आप लोग कमेंट कर दो, फिर मैं आप लोगों को रिप्लाई करके बताऊंगा कब और कैसे कैसे करना है। और हाँ, अगर आप लोगों ने यहाँ तक देख लिया है तो सब्सक्राइब जरूर से कर दो और लाइक करके कमेंट कर देना जरूर। बाय।